A lot of people ask me, how do I calm down my girlfriend? What do I do? She's freaking out. She's super emotional. She's really anxious. She's crying a lot. How do I deal? Whew, yeah, it can be a lot, all right? So let's get into a couple things first. Number one, my question back to you is, why is it a problem that your girlfriend or wife is emotional and upset? And can you look closely at what is getting triggered and activated in you when she's like that? Let's say she's crying hysterically. What starts to happen for you when she's crying hysterically? A lot of people are like, they just want to put the fire out so that they can feel better over here, right? If I just put the fire out, I'll feel better. But what that suggests is that you have a very, very small window of tolerance for strong emotions, particularly in a woman. So if that's true, what you need to do is increase your capacity to feel your emotions as well as be with discomfort when other people are freaking out. Now, this is going to make you an amazing boss someday, an amazing leader, an amazing father, an amazing partner, if you can increase your capacity. Because anytime you're freaking out about what someone else is doing, why they're upset, crying, depressed, anxious, and you're like, I want that to stop, you're just saying, I'm incredibly limited in my capacity to be with other people and to feel my own feelings. So now, let's distinguish, though, between healthy emotional expression and unhealthy emotional expression. Because you might be like, yeah, but what if she's yelling at me? What if she's throwing shit? What if she's trying to hurt herself, right? Okay, exactly. We need to distinguish between healthy and unhealthy emotional expression. Healthy emotional expression is anything we all feel day to day when we get upset. Tears, mildly depressed, anxious and nervous and scared, anger, even rage. So now let's get into unhealthy. Unhealthy is things like when it starts to feel like emotional abuse, throwing shit, throwing insults, fuck you, putting down your masculinity, calling you a pussy, or you're not man enough, or making threats like that, and then making threats about the relationship. Like, if you do that one more time, I'm never going to talk to you again, or I'm breaking up with you. That's very immature, impulsive reactivity, right? Most of us do that sometimes, but it's not cool. It starts to fall outside the window of what is okay in a primary partnership. So if she's freaking out to the point of it scaring you because she's going to hurt herself or hurt someone else or hurt you, not cool. We all act like dumbasses in intimate relationships, and we all say and do stupid things from time to time. Not a problem in a healthy, secure relationship. You can repair that and make it better. You guys can go, ooh, my bad. I have lots of videos on how to repair after a fight, for example. You can look up here on my channel. So that's a very good skill to know, because sometimes you're going to get into a mess that's going to make things worse, and you got to clean it up. You got to clean up the mess. And then finally, as a reminder, if you have a very small bandwidth for discomfort or emotions, you're probably going to attract the opposite into your life, like an emotional woman, emotional employees, kids eventually one day when you become a father that freak out and you can't tolerate their tantrums. And again, it all just communicates that you're extremely limited, you as a being, in your capacity. The conclusion here is increase your capacity to feel feelings and discomfort, and you'll be an anchor and a mountain and an awesome man and an awesome person to hold a crying woman, an upset woman, a woman who's freaking out. And it's going to dramatically improve your relationship because your relationship skills and capacities have increased. All right. Okay, if you like this video, please share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.